Evening all. Cooking dinner. Gonna get my dinner tonight. And I'm just gonna record this while I'm doing it. It's a thing called Easy Chicken, Easy Crispy Chicken. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, I will show you the ingredients. What you are going to need is, voila, you are going to need some toast, okay, which we're going to make into breadcrumbs in a minute. You're going to need two chicken breasts. You're going to need some Italian style cheese, okay, the camera's over here, not over there, okay, salt and pepper, okay, natural yogurt, low fat or fat free if you can. I've also got some mixed herbs here and I've got some oregano. While we're getting all this ready, what you'd be advised to do is to put your oven on and get that ready at 200 degrees, okay, so we need that all nice and hot. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I am going to turn this lovely piece of toast, woo, okay, into, well, there's two pieces of toast. I'm going to turn that into breadcrumbs by using the blender. See you there. Right, there's my blender, there's my toast. Right, I don't know how this is going to work with me holding the camera and doing it at the same time. I don't think it's going to work very well. I'll just turn the blender off. It's going, it will go. I might have to give it a bit of a nudge. We'll get there, hang on. So, you get the general idea. Now, those of you that are a bit more observant and a bit wiser than me, okay, probably would have thought, why doesn't he break the bread down into smaller pieces? Well, that's a good point, because that's what I ended up doing, okay? And I ended up with my breadcrumbs. So that's a bit of a tip for you. Don't put the breads in complete slices, break it into smaller pieces. It's much easier. Okay, you can see now I've got me breadcrumbs, okay? I haven't lost any fingers or anything like that in the process, or just about anyway. What I've done as well is I've just grated about 25 grams of the cheese that I showed you earlier, the Italian style cheese. So I suppose you could use any type of cheese. And what I've done is, you've got a choice. You can either use the mixed herbs, 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs, or oregano. I've used oregano. And all I'm doing now, as you can see, is just mixing that all in, okay? Which is what we need to do. So once you've done all that, that's all ready to go, okay? And now we're going to look at our chicken breasts. Okay, so once we've done the, once we've got the mixture for the chicken, we're going to cover the chicken in, we need to prepare a shallow bowl of flour and some yogurt. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to dunk our chicken breasts, first of all in the flour, shake off any excess that we've got, okay, and then it goes straight into the yogurt, okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put it on this baking tray over here. Now I'm doing this with one hand, okay, because obviously I don't have a glamorous assistant to help me. Okay, so basically the instructions say to shake off any excess, okay, excess flour that you get once you've covered it, and then you just go straight into the yogurt like so. I'm sure if you're doing this with a kid, they would love this. Okay, it's a bit messy, okay. I think I'll leave it there, I need my other hand. Oh, the joys, as you can see, I'm having a right old game here with this. Covering it in the yogurt once it's been dipped in the flour, okay, and then what we do is we take it over to our mix. This is great fun, okay, and then we're dipping it into the mix, the cheese and breadcrumb mix, okay, really rub it in, okay, get it right in there, okay, because what you want to do, okay, is make sure it's well covered. Okay, it's really sort of absorbing all that breadcrumb and cheese mix. Okay, and then what you want to do, I haven't thought about this very carefully, is over to your grill. Look at my fingers, look, whee! That's fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna do that for a couple more. Okay, so just to recap, in the flour, in the yogurt, then over to our mix, and then onto the tray, okay? So give me a couple of minutes because I am making a hell of a mess here. Right, okay, so there we go. They are ready for the oven. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop these in the oven for a good 25 minutes. Hopefully they'll be golden brown and lovely, and I will see you at the other end. I've never done this before, So I've no idea, this could be an absolute lash. All right, but let's give it a go. So these are gonna go into the oven now. So here's my oven, all nice and ready. And I'm gonna pop those in, and they're gonna get the treatment for about 25 minutes, like I say. So I will see you at the other side. Off we go. So just to recap on what we've done, okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a couple of pieces of white toast, okay, put them in a blender, turn it into breadcrumbs, then you're gonna remove that to a bowl, add your cheese, 25 grams of Italian cheese, mix that in, okay, with some mixed herbs, a couple of teaspoons of mixed herbs or oregano. Then what you're going to do is you're going to prepare a bowl with flour in it and a bowl with yogurt in it, and then you dip first of all the chicken into the flour, okay, then you dip it into the yogurt, and then you take it over to your breadcrumb solution, or your mixture rather, okay, and you stick it in there, and then it goes onto a tray ready for the oven. When you're ready, once you've done all that for all the chicken breasts, what you do is you put it into the oven for 25 minutes at gas mark, let me just check this, it's 220 degrees, 200 to about 220 degrees, or gas mark 7, okay? Then they're ready, okay, and let's have a look at them. So it's an all important moment now. We're going to take these out of the oven. I don't know what this is going to be like. Like I say, I've never done this before, so I'm just going to plop these on the side, okay, and then I'll plate up. What I've been doing in the meantime is I've just been making some asparagus spears to go with this, because it's health, sweetie, remember? Yeah? Okay, so here we go. Look at that. They look pretty good, actually. I'm quite impressed. Okay, so there we go. What I intend to do with these, by the way, is to have two now. You probably see there's two larger ones and a couple of smaller ones. Is probably have like one of each. Have one of the large ones and one of the small ones to eat now, and then I can put the rest in a packed lunch tomorrow. Okay, so I'll just plate that up and see what it's like. Okay, so that's the finished article. Okay, as you can see, I've got my 2 chicken breasts there and my asparagus. As per normal, I'm going to try and be diligent and carefully just have a little nibble and tell you what it's like. Like I say, I've honestly never done this before. So, you know, if I spit it out across the room, then, you know, it's not fit for human consumption. But let's see how we go. It's not bad. It's not bad, actually. I'll probably put a bit more herbs in next time, but very easy to get ready and really nice and crispy. So if you are on a diet or you're watching the calories, I mean, like I say, you can see there's hardly anything in this, just a bit of bread. Just makes the chicken breast a bit more exciting. But yeah, I'll definitely be doing that again. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. You take care.